Alright, we got another unboxing here because I've been buying all the stuff I need to play this summer. And I'll be playing a lot this summer, hopefully. Alright, here we go. I think all this stuff is on eBay. I don't remember anything I got. So I'm gonna open this shit. Alright. You got your stupid paper. Why do they have to use paper? It's like, oh wait. Look at all this paper. Pointless. Alright. First thing I got were these little shooting buddy target thingies. You see? Yeah, they have different names. Alex, Tigger, and Leo. So they give you get 6 of these, which is more than I thought, which is pretty cool. You get 6 of those. Awesome. And then I got some ICS lubrication oil for gears and lubrication, because you should lubricate your gears and stuff. So I got that stuff. And then I don't know why there's not a label on this. This is silicone gas. Silicone spray, you know? I think is a little bit different than the oil. It's a spray. But I don't know why I didn't give you a label. That's pretty stupid. I don't understand why I didn't give you a label. And then I guess I got a small bag of glow-in-the-dark BBs. Just to see how they look and stuff before I actually commit to buying that expensive laser tracer thingy. Just want to see how it looks before I do that. Ooh. And then I got this super cheap red dot. It was $10. I'm not really, you know, looking at anything special. It's probably gonna be a piece of shit. It's probably gonna be bad. Let me just open this real quick so you guys can get a better look at it. Oh, yeah, comes a nice little styrofoam. Look at that. It's a styrofoam. Ba-ba. Here's this stuff. Oh, everyone loves this stuff. Oh. Fun to play with. And it comes with a battery, which is good. Comes with some stupid directions and warranty. Crap. Look at, ooh, warranty. Only for the US. Congrats. Here's important, comes with a user manual. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. You know. Think I might have wasted my money. I don't think this is gonna fit on my rail systems. It's a little small. Here's the actual site itself. See, would be a dot in there, but I don't think it has a battery. So just bear with me. Bear with me until I put the battery in here real quick. Yep. Oh, I don't know. You can see that? Oh, there it is. A little red dot. A little red dot. Cool. I actually see it pretty well. Bright room. Actually really nice. Very nice. As you can adjust it up and down. This little dial here. It shows you what way to go up on. And you got this other dial for left and right. Also right, left and right there. So there you go. Got an on-off switch, so it's not always on. There you go. Twist it back for up. Here's what it looks like from this angle. Pretty nice red dot. I mean, it's only $10. So, but I don't know if it's gonna fit on the rail system. Oh, give me a sec. Here, I'll tell you in a second. Another weird thing about this red dot sight, it's weird. Instead of, you know how most things use Allen, this one doesn't. It uses flathead, or it uses Phillips to adjust it. To not to adjust it, but to put it on your rail system, which is weird. I didn't have that one ready. It doesn't have any grooves for the hell. I can't seem to get this thing off. Doesn't wanna turn. Okay, this is not turning at all. I'll get back to you on that. We'll make another review showing if it works or not. So, yeah, the shit I got. Whoa, yay! Now it comes with this too. Alright, shit. Awesome. Coolio. 6 minutes. Boring.